Okay, so if I will visit the website and if I want to access the website, then let's see what kind of problem we are facing with that website and what we can improve on this website. So let's go to the screen, and you can see I am accessing this website from my desktop, and it is a little bit wider, 28-inch. That's why I make the width look like is the 22-inch laptop or desktop. So if I reload the website and if I will go to the home page, and then I can see here when I am hovering here, then those are the drop down menus, and you can see they are not very accessible. Like as when I am moving the mouse, they are just height. So I need to go with line by line, then I got this one. So this is not a good user experience. So we can make it like as the four item will be drop down here, or we can put it look like that way but more professional way. So the visitor will not go line by line, they will just hover over on it, or they have more pages, so they will just move their mouse and its height. So we need to fix that. And the footer, the logo need to be more bigger, and the we don't need a look like this is spacing here, and we can include more things on the top like as a good button for the CTA. And you can see there a big space there, we don't need a big space here. We can move this text here, and there will be a small gap, and the height we can make 100 VS. So on the viewport will be all of the content for the hero section, and here the image is we can make it smaller, and the section will be more smaller there. And these things is the line height is not good here, we can improve that. The same things, and let me check the responsive. Yes, and on this section is fine, no problem. This section also fine, this is also fine. This is a external widget, so we don't have option to change the layout for that. Mostly the footer part, you can see here have a big spacing, and this forum, maybe if you don't want to use that forum on the footer, we can make a new page for that. Or if you want to keep it on the footer, then we can make it more professional, like as this content we can put at the footer part, and on the footer we can create two section. This part we can move to another section here. Left side we can put a picture, right side we can put this forum, then it will look more professional or more better. But I can find the another way to put it more professional way, no problem with that. And on the footer the button is very bottom, so we need more spacing there in the current layout. So this is the issue. Mostly the middle sections are fine, but the header and footer we need to fix, must be, then it will be more accessible. And here this is the spacing, we can move this more little bit here, then the footer upper spacing and lower spacing will be good here. And this section is very professional and good, but here is a cut off, so we need to give some more spacing at the top and the bottom. And this is the widget also, so maybe from here the footer is start, that's why we can see it on every page. If I will go to the next page, let me check so I can be confirmed about that. You can see the spacing is good here, and it's look professional, the header, but there have on the top have a good spacing, but we need to move this one little bit here, then the spacing will be equal. And otherwise these parts are good, they are very good. And here we need to give more spacing here. maybe you send the message. Yes, and yes, from here the footer starts, so we need to make the footer more professional, obviously. So this is the overall adjustment I can see here, but when I will start working on it, I can understand what I need to improve more. So I need to know the budget from you, how much you think. You can let me know about that, no problem, as we are just starting our business together. Hopefully I can give you a good support, and I have a full team to work with me, so I can assist you as my level best. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let me know.